So you may be going through at the moment and experiencing something like this, which will say indexing in progress on your iPhone, right? Now, the thing that we can do to be able to fix this, and what you will notice is that there will be a lot of different processes going on in the background in order to optimize your iPhone for the best possible experience. Now, if you are currently seeing this and you are wondering how we can fix this and get this to go away, now the only thing that we can really do is to just continue using our iPhone while the processes go on in the background in order to make this a little bit better. Now, also, what you will be able to do is just go ahead and put your phone on charge and make sure it is fully charged and optimized to be running the best possible way that your iPhone could be. Also, what we could do is we can try and force reset our device in order to try and remove the indexing in progress. So, to force reset, we need to do the volume up button, the volume down button, and the lock button. And it would look something like this. So, quick release the volume up, the volume down, and the lock button, and you will then be able to see this screen here, and then eventually what will happen is it will turn off and you will then see the Apple logo. Now once you do that, once you see the Apple logo, you will know that you've done this correctly. So as you can see, it's now coming back on. And once you go ahead and fully reset this may mean that once you turn it back on, that setting has now gone and the indexing in progress has been removed from your device. If it is still there, the only thing that you can do is just simply wait it out. And eventually what will happen once it is fully finished is that the indexing in progress will then disappear. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.